Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up and how to install free VPN on your TCL TAB 10L. So, firstly, open web browser and check how websites see your location now. So open web browser and find here 2ap.io website. So as you can see, 2ap.io says that we are in Poland, in Krakow, and it's true. But now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN or another free VPN app. So you can find this app. This app is a rabbit and icon. So find this app, click install and wait a while. Click open. Click agree. It can't rotate. Okay, so click on the cross on the left top corner. And cool. Here we have the globe button. By clicking on this button, you can choose the country to connect to. For example, if you want to connect to Germany, click on Germany button and choose free Germany server. Or just click on the center of the screen on this caret button to connect to fastest and nearest server. So click OK, wait a while, and cool. We are successfully connected to VPN servers. So now just check how websites see our location now. So just open web browser and reload the TCL web page. So cool, as you can see I'm in Georgia, and that's it, it's working. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.